Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. Not going to keep you long today. This is very, very easy. So we're going to do some stir-fried garlic, ginger, cabbage. So here I've got some white cabbage that I've shredded, 1 onion, some bell peppers I'm going to put in there sliced just for a little bit of colour really, some spring onions, scallions or green onions, whatever you call them, garlic and fresh ginger. They're both about a tablespoon each. That's about half a decent size, cabbage. I'm going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. That's about it. So this could not be easier. Get a wok like I've got here, or a skillet or something. I'm heating some oil up. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using a different oil if you want. Maybe like a sesame oil. Give it a nice flavour. We're going to drop in our onion. Our ginger. I'm going to cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes on a high heat. Okay, they're just starting to change colour. We're now going to add in our garlic. I'm going to put some salt and pepper in. There goes my pepper, a black pepper, fairly generous amount. Some salt. We're now going to add in those bell peppers, like I say, just for a bit of colour. Our shredded cabbage. Stand on this high heat. Let's go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, so that's cooking really nicely. Now this has still got a nice bit of crunch in it. That's just where I like it. Cook it longer if you want. The heat's gone off. We're going to finish it off with our spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call them. Give that a mix in. If you wanted, maybe you could have added some chili. If you didn't want to use the bell peppers, maybe some carrots. Very, very simple. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.